Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be letting out 3 of my birds, and their names are Zoe, Peep, and Angel. So let's go right into the intro. Angel, Peep, Zoe. Thank you so much for the intro, and I just edited it myself. And we are going to be letting out the birds now. So we're going to be letting out 3 of my birds again. Zoe, Peep, and Angel. So let's do it. Come on, Angel. Go. Hi, Zoe. And there we have it, our 3 birds. So let's go. They're up there. So yeah. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Come on. So yeah, we are going to be recording them. And yeah, here we go. There they are, Peep and Zoe and Angel. All just sitting on the pictures. And here's our other birds. Hi, Mystery. Alright, so I gotta get Peep so I can show you guys. Peep, come here. Oh, and plus, I will be making another video soon. So yeah, we are just going to watch the birds and get them on camera. So yeah, go for you guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna climb and get Angel somehow. So let's do it. Or we could do Peep. It's easier. Come on, Peep. And here we have her. Huh, Peep? I love you. Yeah, Dada loves you. Yeah. Look, it's baby. Aw, look at her. And here we go. We're letting Peep go. 3, 2, 1. Aw, she's staying. Good girl, Peep. Mwah, thank you. Kiss, kiss. Mwah, thank you. And she is a very cute budgie green. And she's a green budgie. And I love her so much because she is so cute when she flaps her wings. Because look, Peepsy wings. Wings. Peepsy wings. There you go. Good girl. And yeah, we are going to be ending the video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you stay tuned for more videos. And I hope you enjoy. Bye.